With the Striker 3, the best way to keep it running and keep it clean is to clean it off with a little isopropyl alcohol. I know auto shops can be a bit dirty sometimes, lots of grease. So to do that, we might want to wipe down the keyboard, get any grease that's on there. The other thing is going to be cleaning the print head and the roller in the printer. To do that, we're going to open up the clamshell of the printer and the ink ribbon. We've already taken out the ink ribbon, and so this is our print head and this is our roller down here. So we'll take our wipe, clean the print head, and then clean the roller. We want to make sure we turn the roller, and then we can keep wiping it. And there you go, all clean and ready to use.